Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since June 26, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.86. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned within the midst of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 35.55% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 26.9% and 65.71%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 23.79%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -7.25% to +102.51% over the coming year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price range between $302.15 and $659.72. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, "Evaluation of Tesla stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Tesla stock price fell by 0.54% on the last day, Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, from $327.55 to $325.78. It has now experienced declines for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.59%. Ranging from a low of $324.56 to a high of $342.70. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, with a total decline of 0.2% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which, alongside the stock's decline, is a positive indicator, as volume should typically align with stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 39 million shares, with a total of 80 million shares exchanged for approximately $26 billion and $90 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $488.54, while the lowest price was $182. Currently, the stock price is 33.32%, or $162.76, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tesla is navigating a tumultuous landscape as multiple factors converge ahead of its critical robotaxi launch. Today marks a significant moment as CEO Elon Musk reportedly terminated Omid Afshar, a key executive overseeing North American and European operations, amidst ongoing sales slumps in these crucial markets. This high-profile departure follows a trend of executive turnover that raises concerns about leadership stability during a period of competitive pressure. Simultaneously, a new competitor has emerged from Xiaomi, offering an SUV priced below the Model Y with superior specifications, posing a threat to Tesla's market share in the electric vehicle segment. The combined impact of increased competition and internal leadership challenges could negatively affect Tesla's stock price in the short term. Investors may respond cautiously to these developments as they reflect on the company's brand strength and operational effectiveness. However, not all news is disheartening. Analysts remain optimistic about Tesla's long-term growth, particularly with its upcoming robotaxi launch. This event is anticipated to unlock new revenue streams associated with autonomous mobility, suggesting a potentially positive trajectory for future earnings. With a price target reflecting a 28% upside, the market may still find value in Tesla's long-term operational efficiencies and innovation pipeline. despite immediate pressures on sales and margins. In summary, while short-term challenges loom, Tesla's strategic shifts and advancements in its robotaxi project could pave the way for resilient long-term growth, making it a critical moment to watch for investors. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned TSLA a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, UBS assigned TSLA a sell rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, Wedbush assigned TSLA an outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs assigned TSLA a neutral rating, also with a hold action. Additionally, on that Friday, Piper Sandler assigned TSLA an overweight rating, but issued a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Tesla stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the short-term outlook. The Tesla stock currently reflects sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast. In the event of upward corrections, resistance can be expected at levels of $329.01 and $328.97. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, resulting in a decline of 10.23% so far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 22 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 95 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 8 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a sell 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 22 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.70 and $282.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $284.70. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.76 and $272.20. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $18.14 between its high and low, or 5.59%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.20%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the P/E ratio. This vital metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high P/E ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $430 million. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a considerable impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $326.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $284.70. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June, 2025, Zhu Xiaotong executed an insider sale of 15,000 shares of non-qualified stock options which grant the right to buy. On the same day, Zhu Xiaotong also executed an insider purchase of 15,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 12th of June, 2025, Zhu Xiaotong sold another 15,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of June, 2025, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider sale of 6,538 shares of restricted stock units. On that same day, Taneja Vaibhav also bought 6,538 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 52.576. In total, insiders acquired 1,117,872 shares, while selling 3,760,826 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Tesla stock a good buy? The Tesla stock shows several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we believe Tesla will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of June, we anticipate Tesla to open higher by $5.23, starting trading at $331.01. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.